Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th, chapter 2, shapes and angles, part 1. Students, what you are going to learn from this video? Students, today you are going to learn one new chapter that's named is shapes and angles. Okay students, you might be knowing that how angles are in your earlier classes. You might have learned about the basics of angles. We will revise it and then we are going to see that how the things are having angles in it. So let's start. The first page of your textbook is having this kind of figures. Look at this. Rohini and Mohini are twins sister. Both the sisters are twins. They love doing the same thing. One day, when they were making shapes with matchsticks, Shaila gave them a challenge. Now, one girl, Shaila, is one of the friend of Rohini and Mohini. They were playing with some of the matchsticks. You know what are matchsticks? मैचबॉक्स के अंदर जिसे हम फायर लाइट करते हैं ना, उस स्टिक को मैच स्टिक कहते हैं, जिसके एक एंड के ऊपर केमिकलाइज्ड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, जिसको रब करें ना अगर मैच बॉक्स के ऊपर तो उसमें स्पार्क जनरेट होके लाइट आती है, राइट? तो उसको मैच स्टिक कहते हैं. अब उस मैच स्टिक से दोनों बहनें खेल रही थी. अचानक से उनकी एक फ्रेंड आती है, शैला, और वो उन्हें कुछ चैलेंज देती है. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द चैलेंज. रोहिणी विल मेक अ शेप. मोहिनी हैज़ टू मेक द सेम विदाउट लुकिंग एट इट, बट शी कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस. सो दोनों एक दूसरे के पीट करके बैठ जाते हैं और उन दोनों को मैच स्टिक से कुछ बनाना है, शेप बनाने हैं. लेकिन दोनों एक दूसरे का शेप देख नहीं सकते. हाँ, पहले एक को बनाना है और दूसरी बहन उसे पूछ कर वो सेम शेप बना सकती है. ओके, सो द चैलेंज बिगिन. ओह, दैट्स सो सिंपल. नाउ रोहिणी मेड दिस शेप. रोहिणी ने ये जो नीचे आपको दिया हुआ शेप है ये बनाया है. दिख रहा है ये वाला शेप नीचे? ओके, देखिए उसने कितनी मैच स्टिक्स ली हुई है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 मैच स्टिक्स ली हुई है और उसने ये वाला शेप बनाया. नाउ रोहिणी के बनाने के बाद में अब टर्न है मोहिनी का. नाउ लेट्स सी. अब ये जो शेप है, ओके, रोहिणी मेड दिस शेप. मोहिनी, इज इट अ क्लोज्ड शेप्ड और ओपन शेप्ड? मोहिनी पूछती है ओपन शेप्ड और क्लोज शेप है या नहीं है. रोहिणी सेड इट इज़ अ क्लोज्ड शेप. मोहिनी, हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर? रोहिणी सेड इट इज़ हैविंग 6 साइड्स. मोहिनी नाउ मेड दिस. देखो रोहिणी ने ये बनाया है पूछ कर और मोहिनी ने ये बनाया है. दोनों के दोनों कैसे हैं? क्लोज फिगर्स हैं. बट आर दे सेम? नो, दे आर नॉट सेम. नाउ यू गिव द आंसर. Is it a closed shaped? Does it have a 6 sides? तो ये क्लोज है या नहीं है वो पहले हम देख लेते हैं. ना व्हाट आर क्लोज्ड शेप या ओपन शेप? आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कुछ शेप्स हैं और वो शेप्स का हर एक एंड ऐसा है जहाँ से हम एक ओपन हिस्सा पाते हैं. वेयर समथिंग व्हेन केप्ट इनसाइड कुड बी गेट आउट, मीन्स कैन बी कम आउट, can come out very easily. See, this is the shape which is open from one side. See here also it is open from here. Now this is actually open from this, right? This is an open side. Look here, this is an open side. Look here in M. In M, open. Here it is open. सो ऐसे शेप जिनका कहीं एक हिस्सा या एक सेगमेंट कंप्लीटली फिगर को बंद नहीं करता, क्लोज नहीं करता, तो ऐसे शेप्स को ओपन शेप कहते हैं. तो क्लोज शेप कैसे होंगे? देखिए ये है क्लोज शेप. कुड यू सी दिस वन? नोवेयर टू गो आउट, राइट? सी दिस इज नोवेयर टू गो आउट. सी दिस. Not even a single side is having some opening so that anything which is kept inside could come out, right? So these are closed shape, these are open shaped. So tell me, जो ये रोहिणी मोहिनी ने बनाया है, ये दोनों क्लोज है या ओपन है? दोनों ने जो बनाए हैं, is it a closed shape? So write down here, yes, it is a closed shape. Does it have 6 sides? So count the numbers of matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides. So writing here, yes. Okay. But is both, it is not the same as one made by Rohini. So Mohini tried again, right? So they are not same. So once again Mohini tried and this is what she got. Now tell me, is this is a closed or open shape? Correct. This is closed shaped. Okay. Now let's move ahead. As we have seen open and closed shape, we're going to move ahead. Now look here. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference now? Here some of the angles are marked. Now you know what are angles? What are angles? See, every shape has so many angles in it. The marking of angle is done with the black colored round mark. Could you see? Okay, so you could see the matchsticks here. Even they are having some kinds of angles, right? Now what are angles, dear students? See, an angle, what is an angle? An angle has two major parts. One vertex, second arms. What is vertex? The common end point is called the vertex. And what are arms? The two rays that make an angle is called arms. Now look here, this is an angle where this is an angle, one arm, and the another one is this one, down. Understood? And this is the angle marked here. Could you see here the angle marked here, red one? So these both are arms, this one arm, this is second arm, and this is the vertex. Could you see? This, the red one. Could you see? Sorry. This is the vertex. So very important, the angle is formed on the vertex. You understood? So two arms and one vertex, because vertex is what? It is the common end point of both the arms. Okay, students? So this is how the angle is formed. Okay, students? So thank you, students, for watching the video. I hope you have understood the introduction about the shapes and angles. I have taught you about closed shapes, open shapes, right? That is the revision, right? Then how angles are formed, correct? So students, in your book, in your textbook, you will be writing some of the blanks. Okay, I will write and give it to you in your PDF. Okay, and student, the shape which has angles I just now showed you with arms and vertex, that you have to write down in your CW book. Okay, students? So we will meet again with a continuation of this chapter. Okay, students? Till then, have a great day ahead. Goodbye.